What advantages does the 9 to 26 series exhaust fan offer for petrochemical plants? The 9 to 26 series ensures effective exhaust and ventilation in petrochemical plants, crucial for safety and air quality. Performance curves demonstrate its ability to maintain optimal airflow and pressure. Dynamically balanced impellers reduce vibrations, enhancing stability. Constructed with corrosion-resistant materials, it provides long-term reliability. Decent Machinery offers tailored solutions, dynamic balancing, and on-site technical support to meet the specific requirements of petrochemical applications.